Welcome to my channel, and today I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul. For those who watch both of my videos, I will be posting CVS late. I had a lot of problems. I spent 30 minutes at the register at CVS, so I have to do all my math all over again for that. And husband and I are going on date night, so I will figure that out after date night. But I'm here to show you guys my Walgreens haul. Everything went out smoothly, except the store I went to. It's a 24-hour store. The one I go to on Sundays is a 24-hour store, and they don't put like half of the sale up, and I had to like figure out what was what, and it was just kind of confusing. So there was that. And then the Colgate deal. If you guys haven't done the Colgate deal, I would definitely recommend doing that. I do not have any more coupons left. I ordered them. I'm just waiting for that person to mail them to me. But they are 2 for $6. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons. You guys will end up paying $2 for it, but then you get 4,000 points back, making it a $2 moneymaker. Now you guys can buy 4 of them per transaction, so stock up on toothpaste. That is a great time to stock up on stuff. So, and those count as beauty, so you guys can get some stuff for beauty. But I'm here to show you guys what I got today at Walgreens. I ended up getting the Sure deodorant. Now, I also was going to get Brute, but the store that I went to, they don't have Brute. They only have the Sure, which is weird, but that's fine. These were $1.49. You guys want to use that $1 off coupon that we just got in today's inserts. You guys would end up just getting this for 49 cents. Now, there's also a deal on Ibotta. Some of you guys have this, some of you guys don't, for 25 cents off of any deodorant. So that popped up. So I ended up getting this, or you guys would end up getting this for just 24 cents if you guys have that Ibotta deal. Otherwise, if not, it would be just 49 cents, which is still a great deal for deodorant. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Hair Expert, and then the L'Oreal Olive is what it is. There's a deal, and I thought it would be cheaper than this, but there is a deal. These are $5.99. You guys want to use those $3 off coupons that we got in today's paper, Sunday's paper. You guys would want to also use a $1 off in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would end up paying $1.99 for this, but then you guys will get a $3 register reward back. Yeah, it was weird. It's like an unmarked register reward. So you guys would get a $3 register reward. So these come out to be $4.96 or $1.24. Now, I swear it was $2 off. I cannot remember. This is going to drive me nuts. I don't know if it was $1 or $2. Let me just check, because I swear it is $2. I was losing my mind. It's $2. So you guys would end up getting these for just 24 cents a piece, which is a awesome, awesome, awesome deal. I don't know why I was thinking $1. So 24 cents for those, 4 of those for $1. That's an awesome deal. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. Now, we did get some of those $2 off coupons on coupons.com, but I ended up just using the 3 off of 2. So these were $3.50, 2 for $7. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's paper. You guys also want to use a $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and it'll take off both $1. So you guys will just get these for just $2 a piece, or $2 or just $1 a piece, which is a pretty good deal on shampoo and conditioner. I ended up getting the Yes soup. I ended up getting some minestrone with kale soup, pasta, and chickpeas. I'm actually excited to try this one. I don't know why. It just sounds like stuff lately has been sounding good to try. I'm hoping to try healthier things. I've been making different foods, so there's that. But these were 2 for $3, $1.50 a piece. You guys want to use 2 75 cents off of coupons off the Campbell's website. Now, if those coupons don't work for you guys, you could try incognito mode. You can also try a different browser. You can also try the different browser in incognito mode. I tried it in all different versions of my computer, but it won't let me print those coupons off. The only ones pop up now is 75 cents off of 2, which is still a good deal. These come out to be 25 cents if you guys do that. But if you guys can't do that, if you have access to another computer, like I just went on my husband's computer and printed them off, so they printed off just fine. And I think iBota only lets you do this deal like 5 times, so I think I have one more time to do this, or this is the last and final one. So you guys want to pay, you guys would end up paying $1.50 for the both of these, so that's 75 cents a piece. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on iBota, making these a 50-cent moneymaker. Can't go wrong with free soup. I love it. I ended up getting, sorry I didn't take anything out of my bags, I ended up getting this Garnier Skin Active facial mist. Now they didn't have the sale signs, they had the sale signs up, but they didn't have the sale signs up that go with the booklet. So I was trying to figure out what coupons went with the booklet. I am not sure. I was trying to figure out what Garnier coupons would go with what. So these were $8.79. It was buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use the $3 off coupons because that's what showed up on the thing, and the coupons scanned just fine. So you guys want to use 2 $3 off coupons. Plus there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet. The $3 one did not work. You guys want them to scan the $1 one. So you guys can do that. You guys would end up paying $5.19 for the both of these. But then you can also submit a $3 rebate on Saving Star. So these come out to be just $2.19 a piece, which I think is a great deal. It's just a soothing facial mist. I've been trying to like put stuff on my face. Like I'm a person who just puts my makeup on and go. But lately I've been exfoliating it, and I'm going to start doing masks. 'Cause I'm like at that age where I'm like in my mid-30s, and I'm just at that age where it's like I got to start like, you know, tightening up my skin and making me look a little bit younger. I'm also starting to exercise. You know, that might help me get pregnant. Maybe. So I don't know if this stuff would help. Oh, it just kind of just makes your skin feel refreshed. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll use these. Otherwise, I know somebody who will take them. I ended up getting the Rice Krispie bars because you can't pass up these. So these were $2, 2 for $4. You guys want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that I think we got in the 128 Smart Source. I am not sure on that. You guys would just pay $3 for both of these. But then you guys can submit 2 60-cent rebates on iBota, making the final price for these just $1.80 or 90 cents a piece, which I think is a great deal for snacks. I ended up doing the Pepsi deal because, sorry, my coupons are in here. I ended up doing the Pepsi deal because you couldn't pass that deal up. Sorry, I'm just taking all my stuff out of the bags. Okay, so we got everything out. So I ended up getting a Pepsi, a Mountain Dew, and then I also got a Diet Pepsi. So these were 3 for $3. Comes out to be $1 a piece, which is still a good deal. Lately, I've been noticing soda pop is not a great price. It's kind of expensive, so it's $1 a piece. You guys would just pay $3 for this, but then you guys can submit a 70-cent rebate on iBota. Now, some of you guys might have different deals. I have 70 cents. So you guys would end up getting all 3 of those for $2.30 or just 77 cents a piece, which I think is actually a pretty good deal because like a lot of these are like $1.50 now. It's crazy. It's just ridiculous how much pop has gone up. So that is a pretty good deal. So that was my haul. Be prepared. I am going back. I've just got to prepare better deals. Like I had more stuff written down, and my store didn't even have anything on sale, and I'm in a hurry. So I was just like, Okay, I'll go check that out. I'll check that out. So be prepared. I will be doing another haul for you guys, and hopefully it is better than this one. So my total came, after coupons, it came to $10.76. Yeah, $10.76 for all that stuff. I think that is awesome. Now, please remember, I do get an employee discount. My husband works for the company. With Ibotta, I got $4.40 back. That was $2 back for the soup. I got $1.20 back for the Rice Krispie bars. I got 70 cents back with a pop. And then I also got, that doesn't seem right. Maybe it does, I don't know. But then I also got 25 cents for the deodorant and 25 cents for any receipt. I ended up getting $3 back from Saving Star. I scanned this item while I was at the store. And then I also got that $3 register rewards for buying 3 of the L'Oreal Paris products. So I'm going to do that deal again. Definitely doing that deal again. So my final total for everything came to 36 cents. I didn't even do the math on how much everything cost an item, but I don't know, everything probably costs like 2 or 3 cents. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm pretty excited what I got, but definitely do the Colgate deal. I cannot wait to get those coupons because I'm going to get Colgate wasted. So there is that. Also, today is Sunday. If you guys haven't watched my video, I will be picking my giveaway winners tonight at 8 or 9 p.m. I think my time. I will be picking out people who sent me postcards or mails and everything. So just be prepared for that. If you guys want to watch a live video, my family will be with me so you guys can enjoy that. Thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, push that notification button so you guys can see more deals that I post all the time, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.